Hey everyone, today I'm going to review the Faber-Castell 36 color set. So let's get started. As you can see, it comes in a simple cardboard box. On the back, there are few details. They say that the pencils have a triangular shape to prevent rolling, smooth and rich colors that blend easily, break-resistant lids, and that they sharpen well. They also say that they include 5 neon colors. Let's see if those claims hold up. There are few details in the barrels as well. It says Color Me Grip and Faber-Castell. Now let's check out the colors used in a swatch sheet I made. This one myself, since the packaging doesn't show the actual colors. I tried my best to match them, though a few may not be perfectly accurate. You can find the link to this swatch sheet in the description if you are interested. Let's get coloring. These pencils are actually pretty good. They melt into the paper nicely, and the white pencil even shows up, which is rare for budget brands. They also sharpen well to a fine point, great for detail work. And here are all the colors, including the 5 neon ones. If you press too hard, the tips can break, but overall they perform well for the price. They also blend exceptionally well. One thing I noticed, a few colors don't exactly match the color of the barrel, like these two, but most are pretty accurate. Great for somewhat realistic drawings and for general use. They are not on the same level as Prismacolors or other high-end brands. For the price, they offer a solid range of colors and good performance. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time.